Okay, so we start with Dom. Imagine if Joe Harris didn't have stage fright. The Nets probably win the series. Nets fan burning Joe Harris's jersey. I feel like if you own a Joe Harris jersey, you probably own like every Nets player's jersey. Or this guy was super all in on Joe Harris. Keyword being was, not anymore, clearly. If I'm KD, I'm not letting Joe Harris walk out of that locker room 60 seconds this wide open. I remembered that there was at least one in the overtime. Looking at it now, my goodness. I mean, he shot, 47% from three in the regular season? Like, Joe Harris is not just a good shooter. He's one of the something best. But he clearly wasn't in this series. Joe Harris, you are useless. 2 open threes in overtime would have iced it. Can't believe what I just saw. Was it 2 open threes in overtime? I just remembered the one. I'll believe him that he says there were 2. We get the old reliable. Joe Harris turning up to the Nets training facility. This one always pops up after someone plays like crap, and I love it every time. We get the annual WOB therapy tweet. Joe Harris this series. Bricks. Brick on my wrist. Brick in your face. Brick squad. There's a common theme here. Kevin Durant after carrying the Nets just to watch Joe Harris brick everything. Yep, pretty much. Bring me Joe Harris's 3-point trophy. I'm trying to see something. Okay, I have to admit something. I have no idea what this meme is. I've looked at it. I don't get it at all. Someone help me out. This MF dropped 50 just for Joe Harris to sell. Joe Harris in China next season. Jimmer Fredette, 75 points. Yeah, what is the forced overseas Twitter team at this point? It's like Gobert at center, Joe Harris at the 2, Porzingis at the 4. It's not a horrible starting 5 if Porzingis is healthy. They're going to need some shot creation, though. All right, we'll end it on this. Final from Brooklyn. That's the Nets tweet. Why is Joe Harris calling me? Potential fraud. I mean, that right there would have been massive. And then, of course, how do I get to the next one? There we go. And then this one tonight.